In the report analytics critical capability, there's a number of different ways. You're able to compare data that provides users the valuable insight, analytic indicators in reporting, all within Proggio. As we first start here in the dashboard, we look at our plan versus actual. We can see certain information like critical capabilities, critical information and tags that we've got on activities, and we see our plan versus our actual and the difference there. Now, when we want to look at it more in a visual format, we can come into our project snapshot on the actual project and quickly identify some of these trends from activities and milestones that are happening. Now, next, when we come over to budgets, you're able to see plan versus our actual based on a time period and what's happening at the portfolio level. Or if we drill into a specific project and look at our budget here, we can start to see plan versus actual, even be able to look at our budget target and solidify what those are. All of that can be reported up to the portfolio level. Now, when we also look at time tracking, we can look at that at the project level and start to see an area within the project that we've got time tracking included. Now, this is just for one specific project, but we might have another project that has different multiple time tracking that gives us the total and the summary there. Or if we look at that at the portfolio level, again, all of that bottles up to the portfolio view and our time tracking to see the totals there from our estimate, logged, and time remaining. Now, next is being able to come to the map view in our portfolio and look at some things like the health indicator. Now let's sort this by our most important and priority projects. We look, our third project is only at 40%. So if we drill into the split screen functionality, quickly identify that we've got this area in the project that has an outdated activity based on today's date. When we go ahead and move this out for one reason or another or update the status, now we notice that this is updated in real time at the portfolio level, right? Also being able to look at other areas of the application. If we look at our board view, we sort this by those projects that are in the time of that status. We see that indicating here on this card-like view, so we can quickly identify how long it's been in that status. All the way down to back to the coordination plans, as we've got some of these projects that got cross-project dependencies. We want to quickly identify what are those cross-project dependencies in a full coordination plan that we can either add more connections, see what those are, and see the automation of the slack time that's being put in there and put any action items that we would like. Now, all of these are automation functions, compare the data in order to provide valuable analysis to our different users.